Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to apply for parental leave Centrelink. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, first step is head on over to MyGov and then sign into your account. Now once we've signed into our account, we want to go ahead and scroll down to the bottom of the page, and where it says under browse, click onto raising kids. Then from here, scroll down again, and then the top option here, having a baby. So find out about help and support you can get if you're planning, expecting, or you've had a baby. So click into that option. Now from here, we want to click onto before your baby arrives. So find out about payments, vaccinations, and checkups during pregnancy. Then from here, scroll down to under work and money, and then we can find about payments you may get when your baby arrives, taking leave from work. So we want to go ahead and click onto payments to claim when having a baby. Then from here, we want to scroll down and click onto parental leave pay, so a payment to help you care for a newborn or newly adopted child. Then from here, if we scroll down, we can have a read on this page, like who can get it and how to get it. Also, there's a bit of expanded section over here of who can get it. So here's all the different people that can get it. Now you also need to meet the following, like income tests, work tests, and residency rules, and now how to get it. So to do this, we basically need to go ahead and start a claim. So you can claim parental leave up to 3 months before your child's birth or adoption, and you need to link Centrelink to your MyGov account if you haven't. Now you need to create a MyGov account. Now, if you can't claim online, you can call the Families Line on the Service Australian website. Also, you need to talk to your employer. So when you claim this payment, make sure you tell your employer. In most cases, your employer will pay your parental leave in line with your normal pay cycle.